Hi, it's Mark with RPM Tesla, and today we're going to show you how to put on our newest part, which is Expel Ultimate Paint Protection Clear Bra, which normally goes on the front of cars. But we're going to show you how to put it on to your luggage area here of a Model S. Now you'll see this is a piece of very thick 7mm plastic with a clear backing on it. We're simply going to pull it off the backing and adhere it to the bumper. So how do we do that? Very simple. We give you a squeegee, we give you our special RPM Tesla Clear Bra Soap Solution. You take this packet of 2.5 ounces of Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, and you put it in this bottle of 32 ounces of water, and you spray it. Okay, we're gonna spray it on the bumper. Nice mist is perfect. And then we're gonna get ready with our squeegee. We're going to peel off this decal, and we're going to get it all over our fingers so we don't get fingerprints underneath it. Not that anyone's going to notice. So I've covered that all well. Now I'm covering the top of this. And one of the things we do with our turbo squeegees is we squeegee the water out and off and out from underneath. Okay, so you'll see here my hands are nice and wet. We're going to start with this corner. We're going to peel it all the way off. We're going to get it wet underneath, and then we're going to position it on the upper bumper, and then we're going to figure out where we want it exactly, and then we're going to squeegee the water out. So notice it's wet on the top and on the underside where the adhesive is, and the bumper's wet. It's a big piece, but trust me, this is not hard to do. Once you put it down, it's going to move around. So you don't have to worry about it sticking. Come a little closer. You don't worry about it sticking or not sticking or adhering, because you just pull it up, make it wet. If it starts to grab somewhere where you don't want it to be. Alright, so you'll see I'm going around the trunk line with it, just like this, positioning it, lifting it up, squeezing it down. Once you get it basically in the area you want it, then we're going to center it good and start squeegeeing the water out from underneath. Okay, so let's just say this is 90% of the chance where we want it. You'll see this ends right here at the bumper line, so you won't have any interference on your backup sensors or your parking sensors. Okay, again, all the water you want on top is what you need to do. And once we're centered, you want to start in the middle and squeegee outward. Okay? Air bubbles, a little bit here. Let's work it out. Okay, and I'm not gonna go any further than this at this point. I'm gonna make sure that this is all squeegeed down, and I flip this over so we can see this corner. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna pull it back. Keep it wet. You'll never have a problem by pulling it up, putting it back down. And I've got it right along the edge line of the trunk and right in the corner here. So squeegeeing from the center outward to the sides, positioning it all the way up. So if your luggage drags across here, you're not going to problem with it. And you'll see that you can kind of put your fingers right in here, curve it around, lift it up, stretch it. It's pretty easy to work with, and you just take your time. Alright, so I'm getting air out across the top. Again, the top, once it's completely free of water and air, go across this lip, and you see how the squeegee is doing this? It's pushing everything downward. So nothing is going to go back up. And then work it down, work it down. You start at the middle, squeegee outward, and you'll see if you get a wrinkle in it, trust me, rip it off. Start over again. It's no problem. This stuff is like bulletproof. Alright, so now I'm looking across the edge here, the lip. I don't see any water. It's getting drier and drier. It's sticking well, and it's invisible. All right, so now the last go over with the water solution. Okay. And well, it lifts right up. Put it back down. Visible paint protection. That's it. RPM Tesla. Check out our new Expel Ultimate paint protection products. More of them are coming soon. Thanks for watching. And let's do a real nice close-up before we end. Completely invisible. There's the line right there. And it goes all the way up to the edge.